Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here at the Honor event to find out about the View 10 Honors AI phone. So we're here at the Hard Rock Cafe in Vegas, and we're at the Honor event, the press event, where we found out about the new View 10, which is their AI phone. It's basically using the Huawei Kirin 970 AI processing chip. It's got a 5.99-inch viewable screen and comes in several models all the way up to 128 gigabytes of RAM. The cameras are dual, 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel, and it has a 3750 milliamp battery to it. So tell us about the gaming ability in the View 10.
Yeah, so with the View 10, it's going to be powered by the Kirin 970, the NPU chip with AI. It's going to be able to perform extremely well, about 25% greater than the 960, and having the power efficiency of that about maybe 1/50th of the amount of power. So you're going to be able to not only have that, but we have incorporated the game suite. You're going to be able to change the performance modes, so that way on more demanding games, such as first-person shooters, racing games, you're able to bump it up to performance mode. So that way you're going to be able to get higher performance, and you're going to get the smoothest frame rates, things like that.
Is there a reason why you guys went for a button instead of a buttonless environment on the phone?
Well, we wanted the fingerprint scanner up front, and with Honor, we've been very known to having an extra functionality into that single button, such as with the Honor 9, Honor 9. That's when we first introduced the front-facing swiping gestures, things like that. Same with, so that's one reason why we went with it, to give the user the option. We want to have consumers be able to have the choice of what they want, what they're comfortable with.
Okay. You also had Monster up on stage. What did they announce there?
So Monster, they're wanting to be able to create a device that is extremely great with sound quality. So with Monster already having that cooperation with each other, we're going to be able to, in upcoming devices, incorporate Monster and have that partnership.
They're not in the phones just yet?
No, they're not in the phones at this moment in time.
Okay. And that's the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we use this one to just make for the 3D.
Okay. So I can make my own face and then move it around?
You can try if you want.
Okay. Make my own face. So I'll have my face in here.
So a little bit more.
Farther? Okay.
Center. Then
Closer.
ready. Just touch that.
Touch that?
Yeah. Turn left.
Turn my left.
Yeah. Turn right.
Turn right.
Back.
Turn back. Very slow. And there I am. There's half of my face. There's all of my face. There's my face. The phone will be coming out very soon, so check out on the price, check out on the availability over at Honor's website. We've got that link down here, and we'll go from there. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine, Think Magazine, Put in the Geek, youtube.com/Geekazine. Go down and subscribe, comment, like, so I know what you want to hear, what you want to see review-wise, and of course at the Consumer Electronics Show. Keep on this channel to watch for the latest news and cool gadgets that are coming out. And until next time, geek out.